Tyra. If you are new here, welcome. Please subscribe. I'm so excited because we are 5 days out from vacation. So it's Saturday. We have 5 days. We leave Thursday. So we have about 5 days to pack, prep, get everything prepared, appointments, nail appointments, hair appointments, getting my hair braided. So it's gonna be very, very busy. Let me just run down everything I have to do today. So we're gonna be hitting up Walmart just to get toiletries so I won't have to wait till the last minute and figure out that I'm missing something. So I just wanna do it early. And then Sunday, I am going with my sister to do bridal shopping. She's getting married next year. Sunday is really the day I have to wash and prep my hair and blow dry it for my braiding appointment that Monday. Then Tuesday, it's pretty chill. I may get my nails done. And then Wednesday, full packing, prepping, getting everything done. And Wednesday, I also have a wax appointment. And then Thursday, we leave. But I want to take you guys with me. It's going to be an exciting 5 days. I don't want it to be stressful, so I'm trying to get everything done. I also have to go to the bank today to get euros for the markets and everything like that. What else am I missing? I know I'm missing something. I have a list somewhere. Oh, I didn't even tell you where I'm going. We're going to Mallorca. It's an island off the coast of Spain. It's right beside Ibiza and Menorca. This isn't our first time going to Spain. We went to Barcelona a couple years back. I've never been a beach vacation girl. I've always been city, going to Berlin, London, like city vibes. This is really the first time I'm going to be laid out on a beach, chilling and not ripping and running, you know? Later on in the video, I will also show you the itinerary, what the itinerary is looking like. Also talking about packing essentials, what I pack on every trip that I go on, everything that will help you guys out for your next vacation, as well as preparing your Wi-Fi, your cell phone, just making sure you have everything you need when you go over to another country or wherever you're visiting, ensuring that you have the best Wi-Fi available. But right now we're going to run a few errands, so come along with me. Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. I didn't vlog any parts of Sunday because I was just so ready to just get my hair done. So I blow dried my hair out and twisted it up overnight, took it out. So now it's ready to just get braided today. I will be in the braiding chair from 11 to 6. Y'all know how that goes. I didn't get to go to the bank on Saturday. I want to make sure I get those euros in time. So I will see you guys at the braiding appointment, and then my hair will be different. I will be working remote, so I'm going to take my laptop, my work laptop, to my appointment. So I'm just getting that ready to go. This is my little backpack, and I'll have my snacks, my sweaters, just in case I get cold. Y'all, I am done with the braider. This is my first time going to her. She was so nice. She was really good. I am a little tender-headed up here, but I feel fine. Some braiders, I have to redo some braids, but with her, overall, I love the style. She did such a great job. She's a braider here in Dallas called Hollywood Styles. I really liked her. But overall, I'm very happy with the results. I'm very happy with the style. Going to new braiders are always nerve-wracking. You never know how they're gonna treat your scalp or your hair, but she did an amazing job, and I am very happy with it. On my way home, I have to pick up some dinner. I will probably see you guys tomorrow with some new nails. I'm gonna go to the nail shop. Still got some errands to run. I'm going to pick up my euros on Wednesday morning. That's taken care of. I think we're pretty much on track. The next things we need to do is try on our outfits for vacation, see what outfits are going to make the cut, really just make sure everything's packed, ready to go. We have our passports, we have everything that we need. I will see you guys in a bit. Good morning, my lovelies. Today is Tuesday. I have a lot of appointments to get done, a lot of calls. So today is the day. Oh my God. So today is nail day. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. And I also need to clean my house. Before I go on any trip, I want to make sure that the place is deep clean, my toilets, shower, floors are mopped, so when I get back home, I feel rejuvenated, rested. I wanna get that out the way. I don't know what style of nail I want. Do I want a French tip? Do I want ombre? Do I want a plain color with a cute design? I'm not sure what the vibe is. I will find out when I get in the nail salon. I'll know. So today is really cleaning and nails. Cleaning and nails. That's what today is gonna be defined as.
Tell me all your secrets you hide inside. I tell you all of my feelings I have in my mind. Growing in circles, it goes on and on. Tired of making. And all of the things that I say to you, I feel like you take them and leave it behind.
Got the nails, the little French tip orange, Spain vibes. Ooh, it's hot, y'all. I'll talk to y'all in a minute, yeah. Bye. Good morning. It is officially Wednesday. We have 24 hours left to pack, prep, and we're almost there. We're getting there, y'all. Today is our final day. I have a couple meetings to get done. I need to wax. That's all the appointments I have. And then we're off to packing. So it's packing, making sure that we have everything that we need. I will do a try-on haul for you guys to see which outfits work best. Today will be busy. I also have to clean my house. Like I mentioned earlier, I want to be able to come back home after the trip and just feel relaxed and not have to worry about laundry or cleaning. So we have waxing appointments. We already got our nails done. We have to pack and we have to clean. So it's going to be a busy, busy day. I have my coffee, so I am ready to go. Coffee is always good in the mornings. I think I'm gonna do a quick little workout, do some work. I have a lot of work to do. I wanna get some stuff done before I head off. We'll see you guys when I start to pack. Then we're off to the airport, baby. Our flight leaves tomorrow at 3:50. I wanna leave for the airport around 12:30-ish, just so I can get there and not feel rushed. You never know with traffic and everything like that. So I do have TSA, so it's not too big of a deal if I don't get there super early. Yeah, so that is all for our morning chit chat. Do you guys get anxious before flights or before trips? I don't get anxious at all. I enjoy the act of traveling. I know my partner, he doesn't really like the act of traveling and the long layovers and all that. I enjoy it. I just like the act of travel. When I get there, cool. But I actually like the journey to get there. Let me know in the comments if you are that way. Do you just like to prep and pack, then get on the plane and everything that's involved with traveling? Or do you just like to get to your destination and then you feel good and safe and free to do what you want? I like both, but I really just enjoy the journey. So let me know in the comments, which one are you? I will see you guys when I get to packing. Okay, so we are finally done with all of our waxing appointments, nail appointments, hair appointments, going to the bank, and shopping. So now it's time to do a fun, quick little Shein haul, vacation haul. I'm going to show you some of the outfits that I'm packing just to get a vibe. I haven't tried any of these on. I hate shopping in actual real life, going in person to stores. I don't like the drawn out process. I just like to see it and hopefully it fits. I want to give you guys a quick little taste and see which outfits will go in my suitcase. I do kind of want to see which outfits you guys like. Rate them in the comments 1 to 10. So let's get started.
Scrolling on my phone, mind gets caught, lying to myself. I'm greener grass, dream another life, one that's not so hard. I can get lost down the
so good. I really like how everything is fitting. This is one of my favorite dresses. I really like it. So haul over. Oh, that took a lot out of me. I just don't like trying on clothes, y'all. But we did it. Now I just need to pack. We just need to pack and we need to check in. So one important thing that we must do before our trip is to get Wi-Fi. So anytime I take an international trip, I need an eSIM. I use Airlo. If you have T-Mobile, you can use their international plan. I have T-Mobile, but in my experience, they're not the best when you need them. Airlo or any other eSIM is a lot more affordable. You get more bang for your buck with an eSIM. I remember we went to Germany. We landed 4 a.m. US time and the Wi-Fi wasn't working. And it was just a hassle to get on the phone with a representative, get everything cleared. I just had to call a bunch of people. It wasn't the best experience. From then on, I knew I would make T-Mobile my primary go-to for Wi-Fi when I'm traveling international. So I will have a link of a video in the description below to help you walk through how to install and activate your Airlo eSIM so you can be prepared for your next international trip. Alrighty, that's enough for that non-paid ad. Let's get back to packing. I got the empty suitcase, got my backpack, we're ready to go. I put on something cozy because it's gonna be a long night. Okay, we are starting packing now. Okay, so I have the clothes pretty much packed. Let me show you. So I have the dresses on this side, the rest of the clothes here, and then I have the shoes underneath. Okay, now I still have to pack the toiletries, my electronics, probably a few more sandals. I need to pack purses, some stuff, so yep. I will be back in the morning to really lay out everything that I have packed, and then we'll be headed to the airport. So I will see you in the morning. Good morning, my loves. It is travel day. I'm finally packed. I know yesterday I was getting a little frazzled, but today I'm more relaxed and rested. I just got off a work call. I went to the store this morning. I also got me a little workout in because I want to feel good when I'm on the plane for 10 hours. We're all ready to go, baby. But I do want to show you what's in my backpack. I have a carry-on and a backpack that will come with me on the plane. We're going to take an Uber to the airport around 12:30. Should get there around 1 and we should be good to go. I have TSA pre-check, so it wouldn't take me too long. And then we'll just wait to board. So, okay, let's get into it. So in my bag is this big bag. I have it. This is what's in it. So on this side, I just have like wipes and disinfection for the plane. I have my shoes, and then everything is just thrown in there. This is my electronic bag, my book, a bunch of other stuff in there. I think this is such a good bag to have, especially if you like to carry your camera and electronics. It's everything. I have my chargers, extension cords, my SD cards, my microphone, my digital camera, light, if I'm in the dark and I'm filming. So I have everything I need in here. So this is really good. I'm going to link this in the description just in case you guys want to buy it. And then I also have all of my international plugs. I also like to pack some stuff for the plane just in case I want to change clothes. I have my bag just in case I want to put this big bag up at the top. I can just keep this with me on the plane. Oh, you look so nice, honey. Oh, it's cute. I like the fit. Do you like it? Mm-hmm. Good. You look very nice. Then I have my medicine, my Dramamine just in case I get woozy, electrolytes, hand sanitizer, just stuff to keep me healthy. Then I have my product bag for shower. I will be washing my hair after I swim, so I want to have all my products that I need in here. This is all my hair stuff. I bought this cute little flower off of Amazon, but I thought it was really cute. Could spice up any cute little outfit. So in here is just sunscreen, random stuff really. My perfumes, my travel perfumes. I have this really is just for my face. Dark spot corrector, just stuff for my face, toner, all that. Let's pack everything back. Oh, Another reveal. Ah, yeah. I really like the pants. I like it, and the watch. Philippe Petit. Okay. Last but not least, in the front two pockets, I like to have my do-rags. I can just kind of protect my hair from that nasty seat. My passport right in the front, as well as my earpods, my charger, so I can easily just pop them out when I need them. So that is the end to all the packing fiasco. I am going to get ready to take a quick shower. I'm just ready to get to the airport, relax a bit. I will see you guys at the airport.
Now this is my remedy, let the seas sway with me, we're getting my